I'm so delighted to welcome you all to the Derbyshire Festival of Business, to focus on the county's recovery from the impact and challenges of the pandemic in our local economy. So through this event, I suppose our aim is that we will absolutely get businesses to work with our civic leaders and our community representatives, and also from the university's point of view, our students, so that we will be able to provide talent and skills to sustain a lasting prosperity for the region. A really important bit for me is we are developing our business school. We received the Small Business Charter accreditation, and we were one of the few business schools in the country to be selected by government to deliver its Help to Grow management programme. That's been delivered by the teams in the university and is doing incredibly well. One of the biggest initiatives we're investing in is the building of our business school. It's a huge project for the university and it's a huge commitment to the region.
It's a central element of our roadmap for the next decade for the growth and development of the University of Derby. The school will be able to accommodate 6,000 students from across the world. It will make a significant contribution to the economic, social and environmental prosperity of Derby, Derbyshire and the region as a whole.
We have now got a Chambers office here in the Enterprise Centre. That is really significant, not for the university alone, but for people in our areas, but also for our students, being able to access the Chamber in a very different way, and also to be able to meet businesses in a business environment, not just in an education environment.
Both Kath and Angela have mentioned Generation Next. So Generation Next, as it suggests, it is about that next generation of business leadership. And the purpose is, it's about providing a forum, a peer group, peer network for young business people to grow, for personal development.
As an applied university, we have strong relationships with all of our businesses, but a key part of that is the work of our students. I want to thank many of the businesses in this room who support our graduates and our students with placements. However, we're always looking for more opportunity. We will do our bit in making sure that we're looking at our skills programme, we're looking at the initiatives we need to embed within the university. But without the real world experience, we will not be successful in creating the best graduates for the future. And it is about close working, partnership working, that I think will enable our region to be more prosperous. We have the skills, we have the initiatives, we have the innovation in this region.